Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete call history on Messenger. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Refresh your feed by swiping down on the screen. Then, tap on the menu icon located at the top left corner of the app. From there, navigate to Settings by tapping on the icon at the top right corner. As you scroll through the settings, you'll notice there isn't a specific option dedicated to viewing call logs or call history. Messenger doesn't provide a centralized feature for accessing all call logs in one place. To view your call history with a specific contact, you'll need to open the chat with that person. Go back to the main screen, select the chat you're interested in, and you'll see the call logs embedded within the conversation. This is where you can find details about your call history with that particular person. If you wish to delete any of these call logs, you can do so within the chat. Simply tap and hold on the specific call entry or message you want to remove. A menu will appear with the option to remove. Select this option to delete the call log from the chat. Unfortunately, this must be done for each call log individually, as Messenger does not provide a bulk delete option for call logs. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.